Hello and welcome everyone to Little Crafter Show. My name is Eileen, aka Eileen Little Crafter. Additional information about this show and my podcast show, Arts, Cuss, and everything in between, can be found on my website, EileenTheLittleCrafter.com. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm super excited to finally share with you guys what I got in my Dia&Co Active Box. Alright guys, so if you guys don't know what Dia&Co it is all about, it is making women of all shapes and sizes look beautiful and their best. So, um, they have clothing that is handpicked for women. I believe this is 14 to 32. You definitely would have to double check it. And you get 5 pieces in your box. Excuse me, not your bag, box. You do get some accessories, and you're supposed to be able to make 2 outfits out of this particular box. So, not this particular box. I mean, this particular box, yeah, you could definitely make 2 outfits out of it. But so the active box is basically clothing that you can wear while yoga, boxing, dancing. So I also want to say hello to all the members that watch my particular videos. Thank you so much for watching my videos. You guys are awesome. I love being part of the Dia&Co community. I also enjoy being a Dia Domino, which is one of their kind of like ambassador programs, more or less. It's basically uh, a cheerleader, welcoming new members and spreading the love of Dia&Co, which I love. This is also one of their pieces I received in my box. Let me fix this up so I can look my best. And let's get into this box, peoples. Alrighty, so the active box, like I said, is a different color. The other one is purple. So it comes like this. This is kind of like your welcome kit. Um, you get a note from your stylist. And Veronica, hope I'm saying that right. Um, Let me see. Veronica, she tells you about your incredible pieces. We want to see how you're thriving in your new activewear. Make sure to hashtag use fit to thrive when you're showing your awesome Dia&Co activewear so that they can get a chance to see what you look like. You also get basically this is your bill, and it tells you all your what is that? All the pieces, the name of the pieces, and the color and the size and the price. You do get a $25 stylist fee. That is non-refundable if you don't keep anything. I've heard a lot of comments about that. Sometimes, pending, I guess if you call customer service, they'll work with you. Dia&Co is definitely amazing with their customer service because, excuse me, I'm still fighting this cold. I only received 4 pieces, and I was really like, what is they mislabeled Beyond Yoga, their canal high waisted um, capri tights, which were purple lilac 3X, and those were supposed to be retailed at $86. But they weren't in the box, so and the shirt that did come, they couldn't charge me for it because they didn't know, because there was some type of mix up in the tag. So I just sent it back. They were lovely enough to also give me, when you keep all your pieces, you do get a 25% off applied when you buy everything. So there are some incentive to buy, and let's get down to it. Let's see what the first piece of. Okay, the Moss. This is our sports. Excuse me. The Moss And I'll have everything listed on the video and everything down below so that you guys could check it out for yourself if you are interested. Oh, FYI, I was not asked to do this video. I do this video because I love sharing what I get in my Dia&Co boxes. Also, I do not make any money from Dia&Co anyways. But if I do put a link, we do get a link. We do get some type of link. If you guys sign up, it's up to you. Just, FYI. Okay, so this is the Rsport Moss short sleeve tee. I think that one was at the bottom. Wouldn't that be it, right? Got some pieces here. All right, so normally, like I said, you get 5. I only got 4. That's okay. Dia&Co, hooked me up, and that is good. So let's see. Again, this is the Rsport. This is in 3X. Loving it. It's kind of like one of those sweat tees. It has like their little cute R logo in silver, which I really love. And again, this is what this looks like. I tried it on. Loved it. Fits like a glove. Not too tight, not too loose. Just right. This is on the money. A little seam in the back. This will go perfect with the other items that I have. My burgundy tights. Well, I forgot what they're called, but anyways, the burgundy tights and the gray tights will fit amazingly well with this. And again, that was our Rsport Moss short sleeve tee in black. This it's not I got it in a 4X and this retailed for $50. Next up we have activewear, the hydrangea tee and purple. This is in a 4X and this is $28. And this tee, oh my goodness, I put this on and I didn't want to take it off. Like seriously, you can definitely sleep in this. This was so, let me make sure I got the seams right, me. This was amazing. The sleeves were just so super stretchy. This is a little big for me, I have to admit, but I love it. It is so cute, very plain. And this is what the back looks like. It's a V-neck. Trying to show you guys the V-neck here, but if I can hold it properly. All right, so it's a V-neck. I love, and it kind of has like this, like little, yeah, you can see it. So that's what that looks like. I love the fact that this is big because if I want to tie it to the side or tie it in the back, definitely could do that. And I like to cover my backside, so, and this is really comfortable, and I love the color. Perfect. Okay, next up, and again, that was the Active Zone Hydrangea. Again, I'll put everything in the video and, and down below. Tea and purple for X, this retailed for $28. Next up was the Rainbeau. I'm horrible when pronouncing names. Curves. This is the Murryay zipper front bra, excuse me, turquoise and black. This is a 4X. This retailed for $35.95. But when I looked at the tag inside, because I was curious, this is actually a 26.28. So, and you guys know the struggle of the sports bra for me. Like, this is box number 3 or 4, and I have not been able to find a good sports bra. And Yahtzee, we found one. Seriously, put this baby on, zipped up, held the girls in amazingly. And the zipper, this is the zipper front, and that's the turquoise and black. It almost looks gray. It will go really well with those gray bottoms that I got the last time. I love the back detailing, very X zipper is really good. The waist, this particular waist, very Oh my God, super stretchy. I just was like, when I put it on, I was like, oh, like I was so like I looked at it and I was like, it's really cute. It was really cute. I just hope it fits. I love the the zipper that it's not one of those little zippers that it actually has like, something to hold on to because those little zippers, ladies, you know. So yeah, so it's really, 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 really. I cannot say any much more good about this. Okay, so we have this, so it's not like it breathes. It's very breathable. If dare I say, if you wanted to wear it just like that, or underneath, you definitely are covered and you're supported. The girls will definitely not be moving. Again, this is Rainbow Blue, the Murryay zip front bra in turquoise and black, 4x 20. The actual label says 26.28, and this is $35.95. All right, we got another one from Rainbow Blue. This is the Daly Bomber in black of 4X. This retails for $59.95. This was so cute, guys. Like, I love it. Look at this. This is so stinking cute. So I'm gonna kind of share with you guys what this looks like. It really fits well on the arms because you guys know I always have trouble with my arms. Smooth the hair out the way so you guys can see. Um, it's a little hard to do this while you're sitting down, right? Voila. Like, I love the fact that it stretches. It doesn't have any pockets though. That's the only drawback. It has these nice, awesome sleeves that I love because, sometimes when you're cold. Um, I love it. I love the texture. I love the feel. It's very stretchy. Again, the arms are not a problem. I could definitely move in this. Yeah, it goes over the booty. Has really good stretchability, because of this. This is everything around it is stretchy. Zipper is good. Um, Not a skinny zipper. Love that. And what is this one on my shirt? Okay. So, definitely wanted to share with you guys that this jacket is so stinking comfortable and very fun to wear. I cannot wait to try this on. I think I may use this for Jesse's class in December. So yeah, um, what else? Anything else I can say? Love the back. It would definitely also go good with that other black shirt that I got that I love, that I wore it in when I first started getting my boxes. So that was really cute. So, and yeah, so really, really cute. Love those. Again, this would go great with those purple tights and the black. Any of my tights this would go good with because I use also my Torrid stuff tonight to work out in or dance in. Um, Again, that is Rainbow Blue Curves Daly Bomber Black 4X. This retails for $59.95. So that was amazing. Again, it was only 4 pieces because there was a mix-up on their behalf, or their I forgot what she said. The person that they get their clothing from, but um, it is what it is. They were kind enough to give me my 25% off along with my 20% off, so it was a really good deal. And again, I would like to thank my stylist, Victoria M. Thank you so much, girl. You did awesome sauce. Yes. So super, 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 super excited. I love everything. I'm so super excited that I finally got a sports bra that fits. It is what it is. We all struggle with different things, and I could find bras pretty much my size, but when it comes to sports bra, we have difficulties. So okay, really quick up. I just want to say congratulations to Jessie. She has been featured. She's oh, let me slow down. Whoa. Curves of Moves on Instagram. I'll put her name down below. She's been featured in Health Magazine. I was part of that class. It was so much fun. I really enjoy her class. If you guys are in New York City, definitely get on her mailing list so that you guys can find out about her class. And just keep up with her on Instagram. I think that she's going to be doing different things, maybe possibly around the country. Like I said, definitely you would have to go to her page to definitely find out, more about that and she has her links to her website, whatever, all those good information. And yeah, so I definitely want to thank Dia&Co for sending me an awesome activewear box. I cannot wait to try all the stuff out and share some amazing photos with you guys. And yeah, hopefully we'll be working on some Christmas items. Some amazing files came for Makers Are Gonna Learn. Right now we're working with, well, they have, I think it's 150 Christmas files, so I have a bunch to choose from. And they recently came out with a pet collection, which was really cool. So I'm super excited about that. I wasn't asked to to talk about that, but it's just been really exciting, cool things to talk about. And a lot of podcasts have been up. Excuse me about that. Um, just hold the text. Forgot to turn off the phone. But yeah. So stay tuned for crafty projects coming soon. Podcast up. I just did a podcast about whether or not if Titans from DC streaming service is still what is that? If it's worth watching. And my next podcast will be on Thursday. I'll have a podcast, but you guys can listen to it whenever. I also like to wish everybody a happy Thanksgiving. And if you guys have any comments or questions, please leave them down below. Or excuse me, I feel a little out of practice. Or you can always email me your comments or questions. My email address is Eileen@eileenlittlecraft.com. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.